Gasol inside, counted out and foul. What a finish from Gasol. Chance for a three-point play. This is a play that would make Dr. J proud. Pau Gasol, outstanding move. Another beautiful pass from Pau Gasol. That's a 7-footer throwing those passes. Outstanding vision. Talk about the size, the ability to fight for position, double team comes.
Ese 1 contra 1 con Kevin Garnett. Ahí tienen a Gasol con ganas de jugársela. Espectacular, Daimiel.
After Gasol, he goes to the hoop and he's fouled. I have never seen Pau Gasol play this well. When he was in Memphis, you never noticed. In LA, he is. That's the only thing we're talking about. Gasol behind his back, over to a reason for the slam. Can you believe it? Puts it between his legs. They're dancing now at Staples Center. A 7-footer puts it. Hey, look, he saw it. And he slams it over Anderson. That's an answer. And I'm not talking Iverson. Well, I tell you, if you're going to go to the rack, foul, that's...
Played by World Peace. Here is Pierce for the win. Rebound, Allen is rejected. No foul. Back to Miller. The Lakers, who have struggled on the road, pull one out here in Boston. They win it 88-87. Lakers have won their last 4 here in Boston.
Bryant for the lead, misses. Gasol banks it in with 5/10 of a second remaining. Lakers by 1.
It's not about Kobe Bryant. It's about attacking the offensive board. So Pau Gasol puts himself in position to get the easy putback, big time play.